Mom, Dad, look at the gate. The zoo is even bigger than I imagined. Wow, I hear animals already. Can we run inside?
Of course, sweetie, let's go.
All right, everyone stay together now.
Wow, look at the giraffes. They're so tall. And the zebras too. One is coming closer. I think it likes us. This is the best day ever. They are looking so high.
The giraffes are so far away from us.
Wow, the giraffe's so tall. They can see the clouds.
They have the longest necks in the world.
And they're very gentle animals.
Wow, elephants, they're so big.
Look, they're waving at us with their trunks.
Hi there.
Can I touch your trunk? Me too. This is the best day ever. They're so beautiful. Can I touch its trunk? It's touching my hand. This is the best day ever. Yeah, let's come back.
The elephants sprayed water.
They're playing.
Wow, look at all the monkeys.
They're so playful. One closer.
This is the best.
What?
Oh, look at that lion. Is that the lion roaring?
Yes, son. That roar belongs to the lion.
The king of the jungle?
That's right. Listen to that roar.
Wow, so powerful.
He's so big. Is he dangerous?
He can be, but only when people don't respect him. The fish are so colorful. It feels like another world. The world is full of wonders.
And today, we discovered many of them. Wow, look at all the fish.
It's incredible, so beautiful. Look, a school of yellow ones, so many colors.
Oh, this is amazing, isn't it?
I love it.
Best day ever. Whoa, look at the crocodiles.
They're getting closer, we need to move.
Wow, they're huge.
Let's go.
Okay, we're safe now. Look back.
They're beautiful.
Wow, look at all the birds.
They're so beautiful and free.
That blue one is so fast.
I wish I could fly with them.
Maybe one day we will. What a perfect day. All right, everyone, time to head back home.
Okay, but can we come back soon?
Of course, sweetie, we had a great day.
The elephants were so cool.
They sure were.
Let's go.
I'll never forget this day.
Can we come back again?